Change that tonight. 3-2 here to Young. Bases empty, one out. Bottom of the first. And this one's hit on the ground right side. 2 hops to the second baseman, Chen, who throws Young. Both pitchers rocking so far as we start the third. Ground ball headed for first, foul, strike 2. Pitch just, but hitting just 179 in limited time, 10 out of 56. Evans misses with this one. Right-hander works quickly and gets a swing and a miss for strike 3. Took the breaking ball down under the hands of Chen for the strikeout. It's 2 Ks for Logan. 1 gone in the third inning. Evans. That's Alberto Rodriguez. Swinging and hitting a bouncing ball to second base. Charging in SP Chen. A little flip to first on a stretch right now. He's retired 7 straight. First to SP Chen is inside for a ball to the left-handed batter. Chen with a strikeout his first time in. Bouncing ball headed to the left side. Young was playing up the middle, goes to his right to get it, throws it across his body on target. 1 away. Cole Young. 1-2 now to Windish. Hit back up the middle, right to the second baseman who was shaded that way. Chen fields and throws, and Windish is gone. Time in. Driving in the game's only run. Swings here, and it's a 2-hopper chopper to second. Chen backs up to the outfield grass and fires to first. Taylor's first on the way. Top of the zone. Right-hander ready again. Deals. Fastball just outside. It was a bumpy ride, though. 1-1 pitch. Popped up near the third base dugout. Ford and Williamson give it a look, but it's on top of the dugout. 1-2 from the right-hander. Low. 2-2 from Taylor. Called strike 3. Fastball on the outside corner. 96 miles an hour. 1 away in the 9th. 10 strikeouts tonight for Travelers pitching. And that's 17 sod poodles consecutively retired by these 3 Travelers.